Flies and mosquitoes. They're everywhere, right? That familiar buzz around your head, that itchy bump on your arm. We've all been there. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes these two so similar, yet so different? They both belong to a massive group of insects called Diptera, which literally means two wings. Yep, unlike bees or dragonflies with four wings, these guys get by with just one pair. The second pair has evolved into tiny, club-like structures called halters. Think of them as a super advanced gyroscopic stabilization system. It's what allows a fly to perform those incredible aerial acrobatics, and what helps a mosquito make a stealthy, stable landing on your skin. It's some serious high-tech engineering from Mother Nature. So let's start with the fly, specifically the common housefly. These guys are the ultimate opportunists. Their entire life is a frantic race against time. A female housefly can lay up to 500 eggs in her short, few-week lifespan. She seeks out decaying organic matter, think garbage cans, compost heaps, or animal waste. Gross, I know, but it's the perfect nutrient-rich nursery for her babies. The eggs hatch into larvae, which you might know as maggots. While they might not be pretty, they are incredibly important decomposers, breaking down waste and returning nutrients to the ecosystem. After a pupal stage, they emerge as the adult flies we know, that we know. Now, how do they eat? It's fascinatingly weird. Houseflies don't have teeth to chew. Instead, they have a sponge-like mouthpart called a proboscis. When a fly lands on your picnic sandwich, it regurgitates a lovely mix of digestive saliva onto the food. This liquid dissolves the food, and then the fly simply sponges up the nutrient-rich soup. This is also why they are such notorious germ spreaders. They walk around on filth, pick up all sorts of bacteria on their hairy legs and bodies, and then transfer it to the next surface they land on. So, when someone tells you to shoo that fly away from your food, it's pretty solid advice. All right, let's switch gears to the mosquito. While flies are generalists, mosquitoes are specialists. And their specialty, for the females at least, is finding blood. It's a common misconception that mosquitoes eat blood for food. Both males and females primarily feed on plant nectar for energy. But the female needs the protein and iron in blood to develop her eggs. Without a blood meal, most female mosquitoes can't reproduce. They are master hunters, equipped with an arsenal of sensors to find their next victim. They can detect the carbon dioxide we exhale from over 100 feet away. As they get closer, they use thermal sensors to find warm-blooded targets and can even detect specific chemicals in our sweat. Once a female mosquito lands, she uses a sophisticated needle-like mouthpart, also called a proboscis, to pierce the skin. But it's not just one simple tube. It's a complex set of 6 different stylets. Some are serrated to saw through tissue, others create a channel, and one injects saliva. This saliva is the real troublemaker. It contains anticoagulants to keep your blood flowing and an anesthetic, so you do and feel the initial bite. It's the proteins in this saliva that our immune system reacts to, causing that itchy, red bump we all hate. While the itch is annoying, the real danger is that this saliva can also transmit devastating diseases. From malaria to Zika, the mosquito is hands down the deadliest animal on the planet. So, while both flies and mosquitoes are two-winged wonders of the insect world, their lifestyles are worlds apart. The fly is a daytime decomposer, a messy eater who stumbles upon its meals. The mosquito is a stealthy nighttime hunter, a surgical specialist on a mission for blood. They both play crucial roles in their ecosystems, for better or worse. Understanding them is the first step to coexisting with them, or at least knowing why you're swatting them. It's a reminder that even the smallest creatures have complex and fascinating lives. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us. See you next time.